Hi, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So as a Nigerian, or if you are from any part of the country in Africa that requires you to carry out a certain transaction in dollars, you need a virtual card, isn't it? And the most popular virtual card you have is GetButter. But the problem with GetButter is, if you look on my screen right now, you see that the conversion rate $1 to 1 naira to a dollar is over 575 naira, which is so high. So even if you had to do a $10 transaction, I mean, look at it, you have to pay over 5,000 naira to get this done. Okay, but what if you are given an alternative that charges you lower and the conversion rate is low? I mean, that would be amazing, right? And this is exactly what I want to show in this video. So before I dive into this video, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and also share this video to anyone out there that you know that this video will be very helpful to. Okay, so let's get started. So this alternative was actually shared with me by a friend, Kinsley. Shout out to Kinsley. Kinsley, thank you for this alternative. So I'm just going to check it out right now. So Clasher is the name of the app. You go to Play Store or Apple Store, any of them. Search for this app called Clasher. So then install, just basically install and open it up. Okay, so Clasher is an alternative, a reliable alternative to GetButter. So I'm just going to get started. Just going to enter my name. My first name is Anthony. Last name is Shinedum. Okay, then just basically sign up. Okay, I will fasten this side up. I'll just fasten it up. Okay, when I'm done signing up, then I will see you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done signing up. Okay, this is what the interface you meet on this Clasher platform. You have send money. You can do just basically, as I said, it's an alternative to GetButter. You can do virtually everything you do with GetButter on this platform. So, but my concern is this. Click here, the card. Okay, I know you want to pay. You want to renew your subscription on Bluehost or you're hosting, or buy something or pay for Facebook ad. Okay, so I'm more concerned with the card. So click on virtual card. I'll just choose a name, Tony, for my card, then confirm. So here is where the main cocoa lies. So I want to know how much the conversion rate here. So I just type 500 naira. So 500 naira is equal to $1 here, which is quite okay as compared to what we saw on GetButter. I mean, GetButter is 575, and that 75 naira is a very huge difference. Very huge. You can agree with me now, isn't it? If you are doing huge transactions in 600, 500, I mean, that 75 naira on top is a very huge amount. Okay, so having this alternative called Clasher will save you, to save you some dollars, to save you. So I hope that does it for you. Just go over to this platform, sign up, and explore the platform. Explore. This is a new platform also, so they are still not very popular in Africa, but it's a very good alternative, I know. So this is Tony signing out for now. If you are watching this video up to this point, please subscribe, share this video, like and comment. Okay, I'll appreciate that a lot. See you guys later. Bye.